Okay, welcome to this Equalizer War versus Nature Tanks. Here is our opponent, and I'll be using 2 flags now, and then the other 4 flags towards the end of the war. So let's choose a target and set up the team. And here is the first lineup. So it's not a huge amount to recommend this. They don't have a huge amount of firepower. So I should have a little bit more time, but one of the big risks here is that I don't kill Teleria early enough, and then Zulag's defense gets going, and if I don't have the Dispel ready, it can get away from you. So Zulag's not great, but left to her own devices, she can make them pretty tough to kill, and Teleria's already pretty tough as it is. Okay, how do those troops look? Troops look good. Let's see what the board has in store. As you can see there, my defence team's taken 1 hit. Managed to shrug that off. I've got no healing on my defence team this war. Well, did I bring Holy? No, I did not. I think this is a good case for just setting up the diamond and popping it. Yeah. And more Holy comes on. Blue diamond. Okay, we're getting our secondary colours. Okay, we're about to have that effect washed away. So do I make an off-colour match and then make an on-colour? That green looks good to set up the purple. Or do I just set the purple up now? And what does happen if I pop the ice diamond? Nothing great. Okay, so I'll stall now. Okay. Set up the dark. Oh, more Holy. I should take the defense up and the turn in a bit of heal. Could run the darks into Magni and he would attack me when I have my shields up. Sounds like a bit of an option, so let's do that. Okay. Now Magni hitting with defense down already in place. So that's quite a few minions. I think we take Carol now, just so we don't lose him. And I think I'll go after Tally anyway. I think we can centre it over here and use Sartana there. That's nice. Now we need to stall. This isn't really stalling. Cool. Take that. And now Zulag, having lost 2 allies to heal, is much less dangerous. Okay. So I think this is a good time to stall as well. Get rid of that. Tack up when we make these tiles hit. Now, what's the HP on that chunky minion? Wow. That's one heck of a minion. Still alive. 4. Not for long. Oh, nice. Okay. Need to get the purples reloaded. There we go. What does that do? That's right. Not much against this team. Need to try and get a second one set up would be nice. Let's just go for it. I can dispel her healing afterwards. Okay. Just kill her, makes it nice and simple. I was expecting she'd be a little bit tougher than that. Okay, first flag down. So, just use one more and call it a night. Time to choose a target and set it up. Okay, second flag of the Equilizer War. Cattle and tanks, that should give us a little bit of time. She's not too threatening. And we've got 3 slow heroes here. So long as I can avoid getting hit consecutively by Asania, then Kagan, I think I should be right here. The dispel from Demetia might be a little bit annoying, but shouldn't be a problem. Famous last words? We shall see. Okay. Not much in the way of blues. It's a decent amount of purple. And that's just a normal amount of green, is it? One more than dead set in the middle, so pretty average-ish sort of board, really. Start by comboing that out of the way. Take another combo. So if we can't bring some greens together. Okay, we've got 2 green matches. I think blues down the middle is the way to go here. And I've only got 1 match of blue, 1 match of dark. Okay, well we have 3 green matches now, so I think I will, yeah, just work on them. It's nice that one came down there, because we can now combo that and get them going on the same turn. So, Demisha can kill here, and I can't have shields up, and I won't have attack down on her either. I don't think I can kill her, can I? Maybe. 884 defense, that's not much. 1439 left, and some ice tiles into her. I think that might be worth a go. Oh, she's a rogue. Ah, forgot she's a rogue. Dear oh dear. Okay. Let's set up the greens under the tank. So we can take that. Go over here. I'm getting a third dark match at the moment. Setting off a Sania now is not a bad thing. 2 tiles do it though. Well, I might get some greens in there anyway, that could be even better. Come on, green, yes. Oh, Kagan's going this turn. I've really timed it very badly in terms of the equalizer this time round. Right. Oh, nice that he hit over there. Okay, so really doesn't matter terribly much. Just got to make sure we get enough health back. She's going to dispel, so how about we just leave her alone. Right, let us leave ourselves time to do that. Should give us some time to get some greens going again. That's nice. Okay. Leave the rogue alone. Alrighty. Just got to grind this one out now. Nothing much to do here. So let's just grind it out. Come on. Okay, we'll cascade it out. That works too. There's been an evade in there. Yep. Okay. That'll do for tonight, and be for much harder targets tomorrow with 3 red teams and a holy team lined up. So for now, from me, that will do it.